Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by eliminating basic signal problems. Check the HDMI cable and port because a faulty cable or wrong input often causes incorrect or no resolution. Once done, power cycle both devices to clear transient handshake errors. Make sure the TV is set to the same HDMI input and any smart switching is off so the console can negotiate resolution. Then, press the Xbox button to wake the console and go into display settings. This gets you to the options you'll change next. You now change the display parameters because the console must match the TV's supported modes to get a stable image. From TV and display options, select a conservative resolution like 1080p if 4K fails, then set the refresh rate to 60 Hz unless your TV supports higher. Adjust color depth and toggle HDR on or off as required, because incorrect HDR settings can wash out or blank the screen. Once configured, run the calibration or test patterns to verify sharpness and correct cropping. You finish by restarting the console to lock in settings and then checking for system updates, since firmware fixes display negotiation bugs. If problems persist, swap the HDMI cable and try another TV or monitor to determine whether the issue is the console, cable, or TV. Make sure TV firmware is current and the HDMI input is set to enhanced or full mode. One key troubleshooting tip: if no image appears after settings changes, reset display settings to defaults or boot in low resolution mode to recover a usable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.